This is the all-new Kobo Nia. This is a 2020 release e-reader. You can see it is 6-inch e-Carta. It has a comfort light, it has Wi-Fi, it has the usual accessories right there. Comes in a variety of languages because Kobo is a very international brand. This is nothing super spectacular. It is a basic e-reader, so it is not meant to compete with the Forma or anything like that. That's not what it's made for. It's made more to kind of continue on the work of the Clara did. So you can see in the box there's nothing else in there, and all of the accessories come in here. And this is a review sample, so it's a little beat up, but you know, this is what it is going to look like out of retail packaging. So you have your micro USB used to charge the device and transfer data to and from. You have your quick start guide for the Nia. And this isn't actually even available yet as of the date of filming here, which is the 15th of July. But this is what you are to expect in the packaging. And you have your Kobo help, so all of your information and whatnot. And this is the first time we've ever seen a Kobo device in a black bubble mailer, it almost seems like. The inside is lined with the pink bubble little poppable bubble things, so that's very interesting. And here's the device itself. So we are going to be doing some thorough reviewing on this, so we are taking this off for the first time. You can see that it is a matte screen, which is really nice. This made it look super mirror, but that's just a little plastic they put on there, so don't worry about that. Kobo devices recently, in the past couple years, or a couple generations I should say, have always been doing some really nice stuff with the backing. They make it kind of perforated like this, almost like perforated leather, and why they do that is because it looks good, it offers a decent amount of grip, and it doesn't actually use fingerprints, doesn't leave fingerprints I should say, because you don't actually have a lot of contact with your fingers and the actual surface. So leaves a little bit of finger marks, but not as much as a flat surface like that. It also feels quite nice. So it is a sunken screen because this isn't a premium product, but you know, I must say the materials they're using is very interesting. It's almost like super high grit sandpaper. It's a very nice stone black all the way around. It's quite nice. There is a power button with a status indicator light, I would imagine, in the middle there, and a micro USB right there with all the Kobo branding right there, developed by Rakuten Kobo Inc. We'll just do a first-time startup. We're not going to go through the device. We're just showing you this as a real device and then it boots up. We're not going to go any deeper than that. It's first-time boot up. We're going to show you this in a full review, but this is basically everything that comes in the box. It isn't a high-end device like the Forma, like the Oasis. That's not what this device is catered to. I mean, it's a device priced really well. It's kind of an impulse buy for people that maybe have a primary e-reader and want to get into a secondary e-reader or have never even used a Kobo device before. This is what you are to expect when you get it out of the box. So if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, let us know. For now, this is an unboxing of the all-new Kobo Nia.